allowing me the honor to be with all of you today to administer this oath. And you're probably asking yourself, what is this federal judge from the Northern District of New York doing here in Western New York, administering the oath to the mayor of Buffalo? Well, as many of you might know, Sean and I began our public service careers together in the State Assembly, along with former Assemblyman Phil Goldfeder, who's over here, Assemblywoman Neely Rosick, who's in front here from Queens, and together the four of us became very fast friends in the State Assembly. I want to share one brief moment with Sean. You may not remember this, but it was a few years back while we were in service in the Assembly. We were sharing a beer together, probably one of those late budget nights. And I asked Sean, we were talking about our future, and I asked Sean, what is your dream job? What job do you think you could do the most good in? And without skipping a beat, he said, Mayor of Buffalo. Woo. That was over 10 years ago, but I knew then that someday we would be here, having watched his hard work fighting for the city of Buffalo on so many important issues. I had no doubt in my mind that this day would come. So, congratulations to our incoming mayor. Are you ready? I'm ready. All right. Please repeat after me. Raise your right hand. I, Sean M. Ryan.
I, Sean M. Ryan,
Do solemnly swear
do solemnly swear
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
that I will support the Constitution of the United States
and the Constitution of the State of New York,
and the Constitution of the State of New York,
and that I will faithfully discharge the duties
and that I will faithfully discharge the duties
of the office of Mayor of the City of Buffalo,
of the office of Mayor of the City of Buffalo,
according to the best of my ability.
according to the best of my ability.
Congratulations.